Hello to all of my essential oil lovers and Bliss Babes. I wanted to jump on and tell you a little bit about an awesome event that we have happening in Los Angeles on Saturday, May 15th. So Doterra is doing something we call Stronger Together Spring Tour. And this is going to happen in Burbank, and it's a socially distanced event in a backyard. And you're going to have 3 different times to choose from so we can really keep it limited so everybody feels safe. And what's going to happen is you're going to have a 2-hour education about essential oils. And you're going to learn about all the history of essential oils, why doTERRA is different than other essential oil companies. And there's going to be lots of fun giveaways, and you're going to be able to experience some essential oils that maybe you have questions about. Maybe you've wondered about ordering something like vetiver, but you've never tried it and you want to try it. So this is one event that's going to be a great way for you to do that. A great way for you to get your hands on the oils, start to use them, inhale the beautiful aromas. And if that wasn't enough, we're actually going to have a representative from corporate there. So this is such a blessing because we get to experience this when we go to convention, and now doTERRA is actually sending their corporate leaders to us in our communities so that you get to experience it for yourself. Because what better way to really learn what makes our company work and what kind of gets our blood pumping than to hear it from the source themselves. So that's another beautiful perk about this event. So I'm going to put the Eventbrite link in the email below, and you can click on any time. So there's a 1 p.m., a 3:30 p.m., or a 6 p.m. And then once you click on to register, it's going to ask you if you are a new customer. Say, for example, you only order retail, which is fine. Or if you're a current customer, meaning you have a wholesale account or you're a wellness advocate. And the reason we ask that is because if you're brand new to the company, then you want to kind of jump in and learn a little bit more. Or if you are a wellness advocate, then you already have experience with the company. So we want to make sure that we take care of you appropriately for where your knowledge is and where you're coming in at. So make sure you click on the link, click on the time slot that you need, and let us know that you're coming. And unfortunately, I won't be there because now, if some of you don't know this, I am working from Michigan. I am in Michigan, but I still want you to go to this event and meet your whole Los Angeles team, because whether you want to be supported in person, you'll meet them, or if you still want me to help you, we can Zoom, we can FaceTime, we can set up any kind of session that you want to really hone in and see what you need for your wellness needs. So go ahead and click on the link below. You'll get all the information there in print. And then if you have any questions, send me an email back.